Hi guys, I'm Philip. So today I'm gonna teach you how to do this TV cabinet. This one very simple. Okay. So just make sure you go to system cabinet first of all. Okay. System cabinet. Okay. In here, then you just drag the panel only, the shaft panel only. Or shaft panel. Maybe I use Superboard this one because it's quite long. Okay. I'll change the size first for the, maybe I do until here or until here. I change the 2D first. Okay, the 2D here, this one I give it 3000 or 3010 feet is enough. Okay. Okay, so now I'm gonna use this one panel only. We put the steel first, the steel. Okay, the steel. Okay, we can just drag from here, steel. Let me find the steel first. Yeah, this one, the steel. Okay, you can drag one out. Okay. Then you can change the size. Okay, like you can click B, board selection, modify it. So this one, if the one, just delete. This one, if the one, just delete. Okay, the one delete. The one delete, the one delete. Okay, I change the height first. Okay, exit. Change the height. This one I give it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times 400. Let me calculate first. 6 times 400. 6 times 400. 2400. Okay, 2400. Then I add 2500 for 100 at the bottom. Okay, 2500. Okay, and this one I'm gonna board selection, or you can see from the picture here, or you can see from the picture here, move up for the banner. Okay, so I'll just click on it, then Control V, copy one, then click on it. Control V, copy one, then I click on it. Press Z to move it. Press Z. Cannot. Oh, never mind. If cannot, never mind. Okay. So I'll just select this one. Just select this one and move here. So obviously Z is here. I put 500. And this one I'll decrease 0. Oh no. Okay, put back 40. Okay, this one I'll put 0. They'll go in. Okay, then I copy again. I'll do the same thing, copy again. Control or exit the Z mode first. Or Control V, then select this one. No. Press B button. B button, select this one. Then same thing, I add another 400. Another 400. Here I put 0. They get move in. Repeat to do the same thing. Okay. Control V. Okay. Select it. Add 400. Okay. Minus 0. How many shafts are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. Copy again, add 400, then cosine. Okay, so we have this one, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, then select it, or relocate it first. Never mind. Control V, copy one. Because I'm lazy. I can use this function also. Okay, here is 3000. Each of them I put 1000 only, or 1000. No, this one I changed to 2000 in the middle. So this one I put 500 only. Okay, 500 only. Then Control V. This one I put. Select this one. Select this one. Okay, this one should be 500 and 2000, so 2500. That's what my calculation. This one, another one, copy again, no, control, no, I copy this one, or if I copy this one, then we'll go outside, Ctrl V, then this one, I'll just put 3000, I know, 2900, something here, okay. So this one I may just use Z button to move it up, no choice. Okay. So simple as that, we just put banner from like the picture, or we just put banner only. So banner, I'll choose this one or the super board because convenience for the size. Super board here, super board here. Okay. So let's check back the size here. This one, the banner B is 520. Okay, exit. So this one I put 520. Wait, 520. 520. No, that change 520. 520. Okay. Then the white put 3000. Okay. So this one, same thing, I put Z, click on it, move it down, adjust it, okay. Okay, roughly there. Okay, so this is the bottom, so we do one on top here, so I copy down, Ctrl V, and okay, it's outside, never mind. Z, select it, we move it up. Okay, I lazy, so I use this method. Okay, select it, Z, move up 400. Okay, then left minus 3000. Sorry, go back 0 minus 3000. Okay, or if you're lazy to move, you just use figure lah, because I'm smart in figure. So I'll just Ctrl V, copy one again. This time I change the size first. I move up first. Or move up 400. Okay, then move to minus 3000. Okay, then change the size. So this one I click on it, the size, the one 3000, the size I want 500 only. Settle. 500 is the gap. Maybe I add another, this one, the 2 is how much? B plus selection 40. Okay, never mind, exit. So I add 40. Okay, then click on it, Ctrl V, copy again, then this one, select this one, then move it up again. So we add another the one, forget already. This one I need to put here. So this one just make it 0, let it stick to the wall. Stick to the wall. Okay. Ctrl V, then we add another 400. Okay, and here make it 0. So this one also, Ctrl V, this one make it 0. Okay, now we can refer to this one of the picture. So after that we put another one, the last one. Okay, so this one, Ctrl V also. Okay, so we have 400, 400, 400. So I need to add 3 400. So 1200, enter. Okay. Oh, please make sure your mathematics is good lah. Select it. Select it. Okay. Select it. Then left side I make it minus 3000. Okay, then repeat do the same thing. Control V, add 400, then left side minus 3000, or simple as that. Okay, so we have almost done. The last thing I shall put is the back panel. Simply just drag one panel, back panel for the wall panel here. I'll drag this one, the normal one. I'm gonna drag the wall board, the normal wall board. Maybe this one also can. This one look nice. I'll just drag here. Okay, first thing I must make sure know the distance here lah. So I'll just use ruler. Distance between two panels, select this one, and this one, and this one, and this one. Okay, to check the panel. Distance between two panel. 1180. So this one, the height I change 1180. Okay, and this one, like I said, is 2000. So this one I'll put 2500. 2000 only. The total is 3000. So this one is 2000. Okay, so this one here I make it 500. So and then here I add 100 and 400, so 500. Okay, then add one more 100, maybe add 40 because it's the panel here. So add 40. Okay, so we have almost complete. Just put material only. So I'll just right click, put some material. Where is the material? Cabinet material. So select this one, simply select this one. Okay, right click, all material, cabinet material, white lah, white. Okay, don't want trouble, all white. Then okay, this one is different color. Right click, cabinet material. This one is something like wood, so I'll just select the wood material. Where is my favorite wood material? Maybe this one. Choose only all. Then right click, you can format printer. Pin here. Okay, so done. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.